last year.
Rock and roll.
Oh, this one's fun. Look out. So smooth. Oh, so good. Don't do that. A little too far. Damn it, I broke a spoke.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it. I go get that fixed.
Yeah, there's the bike shops right there. Our first casualty.
Got a broken spoke. So, gotta go to the shop. Hopefully they can knock it out before we take off tomorrow. Alright, day one, baby.
Yeah.
On out. Yee. Woo! One. Get out here.
Because they just
Get it, dude.
Hi.
Where'd you go with?
Cheers. Ready, Ray? Of course, Ray gets the Ducati. Cheers.
Your racist friend handed it to me. You need to mess with it. You want to train crash beer?
cattle guard. There's where the cattle is. Hey guys. Oh, we got cows at the hut. Oh, yeah, this is a tough one, ain't it? Scare the cows off.
We got some. Oh,
Paul, that was drying.
woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a.
Oh my god!
Louis? Transit?
Those are the ones.
Those are the ones that'll trip you the fuck out.
How about flipping shit over? Oh, little one. Right, the little one. Hello.
Day 3. Where's the line? Look. Oh yeah. We found it. Oh, this has got a nice park tool stand.
I know, right?
Oh yeah.
Who's spam? We gotta go to the next one. Got it. You're fucking high.
You want to heat it up? Whoa. On the right.
Like a drop off.
Woo! Hey guys. Little babies. Hey there. Hey dude.
Yeah! Yeah! Hi. You want to be pet? You want to be ridden?
We're here for you.
You can definitely jump on that one.
Which one?
On steering hammers.
639.
639.
One-handed. Wow. Beautiful scene, Jack. Beautiful.
Hit the reservoir by now. Don't stop, don't stop.
Yeah.
Is that one anyone's carabiner? Probably broken, huh?
Hey Ray, did you lock up, buddy?
I don't want it.
Thank you.
Regulators! Mount up.
a hard movie for me to get into.
Deep down, you know you want me on that wall. You need me on that wall.
Today's the day to do it, man. If you're gonna get hurt, I'm doing it today.
I'm doing it today.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, leave no trace. As soon as he gets past like 45 degrees, he turns into a bubble. There's another riddle.
To have a heads up.
Let me read it to you. It's another riddle. Here's what it says. Ute Creek Trail number 628. This is fun, flowing single track.
Alright, we're going. Oh, it is hot. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh man. What? Incredible. Biblioteca. Oh, got it. Wow. Remarkable. Full class. Rain ruts, man. Look, the spider guy. Get out of here.
It's on our left.
This is the next trail. Woo! I gotta cool down those brakes. I bet if you poured water on them right now, it'd be like,
Give them a rest.
yeah.
Hell yeah.